The next practice which we are going to execute or do is known as Tadasana Pranayama. Okay? What does Tadasana essentially mean? एक पेड़ होता है, ताड़ वृक्ष बोलते हैं जिसे. Okay? ना ताड़ बोला होता है, देखा है किसी ने? So if you observe that tree, it is one of the straightest tree that grows. Okay? It's a tree that grows like really straight, like it does not branch out here and there except for on the top. ओके सो उसको कहते हैं ताड़ वृक्ष. ओके एंड ये है ताड़ासन ए. कई प्रकार के ताड़ासन है, ताड़ासन ए, ताड़ासन बी ऐसे करके, बट हम अभी करने वाले हैं ताड़ासन ए व्हिच इज लाइक द मोस्ट बेसिक टाइप ऑफ आसन. ओके इनफैक्ट ताड़ासन इज आल्सो नोन एज मदर ऑफ ऑल द आसन्स, क्योंकि अगर आप बाकी कोई भी आसन है दुनिया में अगर आप देखते हैं so it's just sort of like a combination and permutation of Tadasana itself. Okay, it is nothing but a combination and permutation of Tadasana. That's it. Okay. Now, how do we begin Tadasana? सबसे पहले, if you are a beginner, पैरों में कंधे जितना गैप कर लीजिए. Okay, because you पैर एकदम पास में है तो you will be dilly dallying for balance. So कंधे जितना गैप करके ओके पहले अपना बैलेंस सेट करिए, लेकिन कंधे से ज्यादा गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके प्लीज नोट दैट. नाउ हैविंग standing with shoulder distance, observe that whether the weight of the body is equally distributed on all the four corners of my feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Distribute the weight of the body equally on all the four corners of the feet. Imagine your body to be like a car, और बॉडी के फोर कॉर्नर में वो पहिए हैं जो आपके शरीर को बैलेंस किए हुए. Got it? Now, bring your attention to the edge of the toes. Bring your attention to the edge of the toes. Okay? Keeping your attention at the edge of the toes, feel a nice stretch crawling through your toes and spread out the toes. Okay? Feel a nice stretch crawling. Okay? तो देखो यहाँ पर कैसे उनके toes stretch out हो रहे हैं. You know, there's a stretch going in. Okay? So stretch out the toes. From here, feel the stretch crawling into your feet, into her feet. Okay? Can you feel the stretch going? Yes. The more she pulls this, the more it goes into the heels. Okay? Now keep the weight equally distributed. Now the stretch is spread all over her feet. Good? Now, maintaining the stretch on all the four corners of throughout the feet, she presses the feet down on the floor as if floor को ज़मीन पे धक्का दे रही है. So when she presses the feet down into the floor, can you feel the stretch traveling from the feet to the shin and to the calves? Can you feel that? She's pressing and the stretch goes up. You know, वो मेले में वो एक ये देखा है आपने कि एक मशीन होता है. There's a hammer. You take a hammer, you hit that thing with the hammer. You know, there's a panel here. You hit it with the hammer, and there's this bell which goes out and rings. Okay. Similarly here, the more you press down into the floor, the stretch is going to go up all over. This is called isometric contraction. Okay, as if आप floor को नीचे धक्का देने को देते हैं. Now it is still her calves. Okay. Yes. Now in yoga, there is a concept known as bandhas. Bandha. Now a bandha essentially means a lock. Okay. Now there are three major bandhas: Moolabandh, Uddiyanabandh, Jalandharbandh. But there are a few minor locks. छोटे बंधा भी होते हैं. Okay. For एक मैंने आपको बता दिया, which is elbow lock. This is elbow relax. This is lock. Relax, lock. Okay. Similarly, there's something known as knee lock. This is knee relax, lock. Relax, lock. Relax, lock. This is called a knee lock. So when she presses her feet down, the stretch moves up her shin bone, calves, and knee lock. Knees get locked. Now, press further into the floor and feel the stretch crawling up your thighs. From the knee, it goes up into the thighs. Okay? Combine the pressure from, okay, let the toes be pointing forward, okay? ऐसे sideways ना जाने दे पैर को. That's a given. Okay? Combine the pressure from the base of the feet, lock the knees, Okay, combine the pressure base and the lock. Feel the stretch on the thighs. Okay, are we clear till this point? Yes. Keep the hips steady. Do not move into a back bend. Okay, hips and heels in one line. Okay, more or less. Now press the feet on all the four corners. Lock the knees. Feel the thighs. Squeeze the buttocks in. When you squeeze the buttocks in, this particular action is called Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini Mudra, some other day I'll teach it in more detail. But for now, squeeze the buttocks. Now, I want you to experiment something. When you press the base of the feet, when you squeeze the buttocks in, do you feel some movement at the lower back lumbar region? Yeah. What is this? The ripple of the stretch has risen to the lower back. Okay? So press the feet, squeeze the buttocks in, right from the sacral region, that is the base of the spine, Mooladhara, all the way to the cervical, traction to the spine. Gunadharma number 3. Remember it? Yes. Traction to the spine. Okay? Now, maintaining the traction on the spine, lift up the sternum, expand the chest. Do not move into a back bend. Keep the body straight. Lift up the sternum, expand the chest. How do you increase the expansion of the chest? By rolling back the shoulders, pressing it down, squeezing the scapula in. Shoulders roll back, press down, squeeze the scapula in. Clear? Now feel the stretch crawling up your upper arms, elbows, lock. Forearms, the stretch is crawling into your forearms, wrist, palms, finger stretch. Stretch out the fingers. हाथ ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना चाहिए, ज़्यादा पास में नहीं, okay? Just slightly away from the body, okay? जिसमें आपको optimum stretch आता है. Optimum stretch कहाँ से आता है अभी मैं बता. Maintain, okay? Keep normal breathing going on, maintain that. Have you guys gone to a garden and seen a parallel bar? Parallel bar, दोनों हाथ ऐसे रख के body को हम उठाते हैं उसमें, okay? That's called a parallel bar, okay? Or I think it's also called a horse bar. Sorry, it's called a horse bar, okay? So horse bar में कैसे हम हाथ ऐसे रख के will lift our entire body up, right? Similarly, I want you to experiment something now. I want you to stretch out your fingers more and more. Stretch out, stretch out. So when you stretch out your fingers, do you feel the stretch crawling up your hands and your elbows? Do you feel the stretch crawling up your shoulders? Okay. Now the harder you stretch over here, harder you stretch on the legs, harder you stretch over here, do you feel a certain lift in the rib cage? Okay, जितना आप यहाँ प्रेस करते हो ना, स्ट्रेच ऐसे ऊपर तक जाता है और आपके रिब केज को ऊपर उठाता है, giving you a nice extension or increasing your traction. Okay, now do not go again into this action. Okay, be straight. Okay, be straight. Now stretch, lift your rib cage up, roll back the shoulders, extend. Okay, now reinforce the stretch on the shoulder joint, neck muscles pulled up. Look straight ahead. Look straight ahead. Okay? Look straight ahead. Do not look up. Okay? Now, this is Tadasana. Right from the base of your feet, the body is pulling up, all the way up, and the body is pulling sideways. ये दिखने में easy है, सामने वाला कोई देख रहा है उसको समझेगा कि क्या चल रहा है, but अंदर से पूरे muscles खींच रहे हैं in an isometric contraction. इसको छोड़ना नहीं है खिंचाव को. अभी ये खिंचाव को मेंटेन रखते हुए we will work on pranayam here. Okay? So पूरा Antarkumbhak, stretch your entire body, press the feet, squeeze the buttocks in, stretch the hands, lift, stretch, 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 recha. Bahira Kumbhak, छोड़ना नहीं है, stretch, press the feet, lock the knees, squeeze the buttocks in, extend the spine, stretch the fingers, elbow lock, extend the spine, pull, 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 pura. Antarkumbhak, press the feet, अंदर से ही पूरा body, continuous खींच रहा है, pull, 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 recha. Bahira Kumbhak, Taravi, stretch, 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 stretch. One last, pura. It's bit quite difficult, okay? दिखने में आसान है, but quite strenuous होता है. Antarkumbhak, stretch your entire body, extend, 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 recha. Bahira Kumbhak, stretch, 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 and relax. Now, wait. Now, relax. You relax. Okay? See how our entire body just relaxed. Now ये करने से काफी बार, if you do Tadasana properly, you can understand the person's basic anatomical defects. Okay? किसी में लॉर्डोसिस का इशू होता है, किसी में काइफोसिस या केटोसिस का इशू होता है, यानी सामने झुकने का. तो कुछ लोगों में वो दिख के आता है, वो इशू उभर कर आता है. So Tadasana, variations of Tadasana to a great extent can also be a remedy. Okay? But अगर वो इशू आपको दिख के आ रहा है, as a yoga teacher, you know, you can either suggest they go to someone to remedy those issues, or you can himself give this person or herself give this person the remedial practice. Especially ज़्यादातर ना issues, spine के सारे issues दिख के आते हैं. Okay? So this was Tadasana Pranam. Now does anybody have any doubts about Tadasana? Shreya, have you understood? I think practical करके समझ में आ जाएगा.
I wanted to ask about
Yes,
the lock. The knee lock is called. You said that there are 3 types of bandhas. So
Yes.
the first.
There are more than three types of bandhas. 3 are major bandhas, which most people know. Mool bandh, Udyan bandh, Jalandhar bandh.
Okay.
Knee lock is something different.
Okay.
Okay? It is like we call a minor bandha, chota bandha.
Okay.
Okay? So yeah, it is separate from the 3 which I mentioned.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. Anything else?
So when we are like stretching, we first have to do the knee lock, with elbow lock.
हाँ, so when you say first have to do, जितना पैर को प्रेस करोगे ना, अपने आप नी लॉक हो जाएगा. जितना पैर को बेस पे प्रेस करोगे, अपने आप वो नी लॉक हो जाएगा. Okay? And then I'll be giving you instructions कैसे कैसे stretch ऊपर जा रहा है. It is शवासन किया होगा ना. शवासन में हम टोस से लेके ऊपर तक रिलैक्स करते हैं. इसमें हम टोस से लेके ऊपर तक स्ट्रेच करते हैं. Okay? So that's the action. But you'll have to practice this to understand this.
Yes.
Okay?